back to our YouTube channel. So today's recipe is we are going to cook a Bicol Express. Yes guys, you heard it right, Bicol Express. So guys, our ingredients is we also need some onion, and this one guys, jalapeno. I got it jalapeno, and of course guys, this one I got it from Chinatown. It's very spicy. And this one I also got it from Chinatown, and of course guys, we also need some tomato and garlic and our pork, our main ingredients. And of course guys, we also need black pepper, and of course guys, we also need this one, shrimp, and of course guys, we also need this one, fish sauce, and of course guys, our cooking oil, and another main ingredient is our coconut milk. Actually guys, because I don't have siling labuyo, so I got this for alternative. Since that I'm here in Chicago, so I cannot find any siling labuyo, so I got this from Chinatown. Alright guys, so let's start cooking. Alright guys, so here I'm going to add some oil. So guys, here we're going to add this one. Ow! So guys, let's wait for another 2 minutes, and then after that we are going to add the tomato. So guys, after 2 minutes, I'm going to add the tomato, this one. So let's wait for another 2 minutes guys, and I'll be right back. Yeah guys, so let's wait until the water are reduced, and then after that we're going to add the black pepper. Alright guys. Bicol Express. Yum. So guys, here I'm going to add black pepper. And of course guys, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Here. mix po natin sila. Guys, actually here, I just put like medium heat, a low heat, because it's good, it's better, so that it's gonna be absorbed all our ingredients. So guys, here, ano lang po siya, let's put medium heat. Guys, after another 2 minutes, so now it's time to put our shrimp, this one. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon, guys. So it depends on your taste. If you want to add more shrimp, it's okay, but for me, I guess, let me taste first, then if it's not the taste that we want, we're gonna add more. And now guys, let's mix them. And I guess guys, I'm going to add more. I'm going to add another 1 tablespoon of shrimp. And let's mix them, guys. And medium heat. Alright guys, so let's wait another 1 minute, and after that we're going to add our chilies. Guys, next is I'm going to put our jalapeno. So it's gonna be so hot. And next guys is this one, the Chinese chili, is so spicy. So guys, medium heat lang po. And next one guys is this one. Alright guys, so let's wait until all the ingredients is gonna be absorbing in our pork. After that guys, we're going to add our coconut milk. So guys, here, so I'm going to mix them. So let's mix them guys. And then next po is our coconut milk. Here you go. And this one guys, we're going to wait until our coconut milk is reduced. So guys, this one is gonna be like medium heat, and let's wait guys. And guys, so our Bicol Express is already finished. So let me just do plating guys. So this is our Bicol Express. So ito na po yung Bicol Express natin guys. So yan. Alright guys, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so these are Bicol Express. So let's do the plating na guys. Oh, it's so hot. Have it guys, so let's put the garnish, this one. So these are garnished. Alright guys, so I will just finish the plating and I will show you more closer. This is our finished product of our creamy Bicol Express. So this is it. So I put a garnish of the chili, guys. So there you go. It's so simple and so easy, guys, and it's so cheap too, guys. It's very affordable and pagkain ng masa. There you go, guys. And let's do the taste. How it tastes, our Bicol Express. There you go. So like this is my first taste. That is so creamy. Oh wow. That is so creamy, so spicy. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And please don't forget to share and subscribe. Alright guys, see you again. Bye.